Dear students, I hope you all are well at your home and are safe and fine, and hope you are taking proper precautions in this pandemic COVID-19. And I also hope that you all are watching the YouTube videos of your favorite subject, that is chemistry, and put your hard efforts, your genuine efforts, your honest efforts in the learning of these subjects by the YouTube videos and the PDF files which are sent along with this video. So students, now come for the next topic of this chapter, that is the plots for different order reactions, as we are doing the chapter chemical kinetics. So we have the next topic, that is the plot for different order reactions. This is the most important part according to the paper point of view and also according to the competition. Now come for the first, that is the for zero order reaction. We are going to make the three plots, that is rate versus concentration, and second plot, that is for time versus concentration, and third plot between T half-life versus concentration. So students, for zero order reaction, let's have the first graph for rate versus concentration. As this is the zero order reaction, so its rate can be written as rate is equal to K A raised to power 0, and anything raised to power 0 in mathematics is equal to 1. This implies rate is equal to K only, or we can say that rate is independent of rate is independent of concentration of reactants. Okay, now if it is independent and we plot, then in this plot we get a line which is parallel to the x-axis, which represents that rate is independent of the concentration of reactants. So this is the first plot, that is rate versus concentration for zero order reactions. You have to not ratify all the things, आपको ratification नहीं करना है. You have to just remember all the things by these relations. Now, since it is a zero order reaction, so for plot between time versus concentration, we have the relation, remember the relation, K is equal to 1 upon T, initial concentration minus concentration after time T. This implies T KT is equal to A naught minus A, or we can say that A is equal to minus KT plus A naught. So this represents the equation of straight line, that is y is equal to mx plus c. So if we plot between this time t and concentration A, we get the slope that is equal to minus k. So now we are going to plot between T and A. We get a graph which is also straight line, but its slope is negative. Slope is equal to minus k. Slope is minus k. So this also represents the straight line equation, and this is the intercept. This is intercept representing A naught, initial concentration. This is the intercept. So these are the two plots for the, we can say that for the zero order reaction. Now going for the third plot. For half versus concentration. From here, if we put in this relation T half, it becomes, at concentration A by 2, it becomes T half is equal to 1 upon K A naught minus A naught by 2. Okay. So on taking the LCM and doing all the calculations, we get 1 upon K into A naught by 2, or we can say that T half is equal to A naught upon 2K. 2 is constant, K is constant, which means T half is directly proportional to A naught. So if we are going to plot a graph between T half and A naught, we get the following graph, that is, it is a straight line. So students, this is the most important part. 3 plots we have done on the basis of these equations, various equations. For T half we use this equation. For plot between time versus concentration, T versus A, we use this equation, and for rate versus concentration, we use this equation. This is the most important part which I have discussed according to the paper point of view and according to the competition point of view. Thank you.